Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Skytech King. If you're looking at this machine, you're not the kind of person who buys a gaming PC just to browse, stream, and hope it gets by. You want something that feels fast every single day, something that gives you confidence every time you hit power and see your setup light up. You're here for that smooth, premium, zero hesitation experience. Not good enough. Before we dive in, tap the first link below and check today's price. These performance builds move fast, and when stock shifts, pricing usually does too. I went with this Skytech King setup after getting tired of rigs that look strong on paper but choke when you stack tasks, game plus stream plus Discord plus Chrome plus music plus background downloads. I wanted a PC that doesn't break a sweat when life and gaming collide. Daily use feels instant. The Ryzen 7 9700X and RTX 5070 combination just doesn't slow down. Modern AAA titles. Smooth. Competitive shooters. Clean frame pacing, no weird dips mid-fight. Editing clips or streaming at the same time. It holds steady. The airflow and thermals are legit, no sudden fan panic, no throttling halfway through a session. And visually, it has that presence. The case, the RGB, the clean look, when you sit down, it already feels like you're stepping into performance mode. That's a real part of why premium systems hit different. They don't just run fast, they make you feel like you made the right call every single day. Quick reminder, check availability while you're watching. When these sell through a batch, the next restock is rarely the same price. I know the hesitation, is this overkill? Should I wait and keep researching? But here's the truth, you always come back to this level of build when you want something future-proof and effortless. If you're the person who values smoothness, responsiveness, and power without noise or drama, this is the tier that feels right long-term. Pros feels fast and effortless every day, handles AAA games and streaming without strain, clean aesthetic and strong cooling under load, confidence boost every time you sit down to game, future-ready performance without compromise. Cons: not a budget pick. Built for power and longevity, best experience plugged into a strong monitor setup if you're still hopping between tabs, comparing parts, watching more reviews, pause. You know the type of experience you're chasing, and systems like this are why people stop second-guessing and just enjoy gaming again. Don't end up researching for weeks again only to circle back here. If the price looks right and stock is available, trust your instinct and grab it. This is the kind of desktop you buy once, enjoy daily, and never feel like you settled. Tap the first link now and see if the current deal is still live.